Γεια σας, καλημέρα, welcome. My name is Stalo, με λένε Stalo. And today we're going to take a stroll in Larnaca. Ready? Let's go. Πάμε. This is a map of Cyprus, the beautiful island in the Mediterranean Sea. Η Κύπρος. Η Κύπρος. Cyprus is an independent country and a member of the European Union. Its currency is the euro. Larnaca, also known as Scala in everyday language, is the third largest city after Nicosia and Limassol. The main international airport in Cyprus is located here. Η Larnaca. Η Λάρνακα, η Σκάλα, η Σκάλα. We are going to stroll along the seafront, especially the most famous part of it, the Φοινικούδες Promenade. Οι Φοινικούδες. The little palm trees. Οι Φοινικούδες. This famous promenade is lined with lots of palm trees planted in 1922. In front of the Φοινικούδες Promenade is the Φοινικούδες Beach. On weekends, this beach is packed, and you cannot easily find available loungers unless you go early in the morning. It's also usually not this windy. And of course, pigeons are everywhere. Το περιστέρι, το περιστέρι. Here are some tiny pebbles. Το βότσαλο or το χαλίκι. Το βότσαλο or το χαλίκι. As you can see, the water is crystal clear. Swimming at this warm and sandy beach is pretty safe for kids because the water is very shallow and remains shallow for quite some distance. Η θάλασσα. Η θάλασσα. In the background, you can see the town hall. Το Δημαρχείο. Το Δημαρχείο. This is a kiosk. Το περίπτερο. Το περίπτερο. You can find almost anything at a kiosk, from magazines, beach balls and sunscreen to hot sandwiches made fresh just the way you want them. The perfect lunch for the beach. This is a bust of Kimon, an Athenian general and admiral who fought against the Persians at Kition in the 5th century BC. During the battle, Kimon died, but his death was kept secret from both the Athenians and the Persians. The Athenians, under the command of the deceased Kimon, defeated the Persians. The inscription is in ancient Greek, and loosely translated it says, Kition to Kimon the Athenian. Even after death, he won. This is the marina. The marina in Larnaca is the last European destination when traveling from Europe to the Middle East or Asia. And of course, the first European destination when you are traveling from those places. Η βάρκα, the boat, η βάρκα. And since you're on the subject, let's learn a couple of more words. Το yacht, the yacht. Το yacht. Το πλοίο, the ship. Το πλοίο. Το πλοιάριο, the small ship. Το πλοιάριο. A variety of boat trips, including mini cruises, fishing trips, glass-bottom boat rides, diving trips, and many more are available from the marina. This little square, η πλατεία, is so quiet during the day, but it becomes very lively in the evening. The merry-go-round attracts both kids and grown-ups. We are approaching the medieval castle. Το castro, the castle. Το μεσαιωνικό castro, the medieval castle. Το μεσαιωνικό castro. The initial construction of the castle started in the 12th century. Throughout the centuries, it has been used first as a castle and later on as a prison. Today, the castle has been converted into a museum and the courtyard has been converted into an open-air theater where theater performances, recitals, and other cultural events take place regularly. Here is an announcement about an upcoming evening of music and poetry. I'm going to show you a short video clip from a few years ago. It's a performance of Aristophanes' comedy Εκκλησιάζουσες, translated into the Cypriot dialect by the most famous Greek Cypriot poet, Kostas Montis. Enjoy!
Λαλούντες ψεύτισες, λαλούντες πονηρές, μ' ό,τι γυαλό του τσαμπό, ό,τι τσαλάμνο, είπαν ουρές στον καφενέ χίλιες φορές, χωρίς γυναίκα στη ζωή, ας κι αν εγκάμνο, είδα το μέσα ουρανές χίλιες φορές, χωρίς γυναίκα στη ζωή, ας κι αν εγκάμνο.
The evening is the perfect time to go for a stroll or to play ball at the beach. A cute little playground for kids. Another nice beach, a little farther down, is Mackenzie Beach. The whole seafront promenade from the marina to the airport, which is very close to Mackenzie Beach, is almost 2 miles. It's a beautiful stroll right next to the water, and it's great exercise, so there are always people walking here, some with their dogs. Larnaca is built on the ruins of an ancient city kingdom, Kition. Kition was established in the 14th century BC, and it was the birthplace of Zenon, a Hellenistic philosopher of the 3rd century BC. Zenon founded the Stoic school of philosophy, which took its name from the Greek word stoa. Stoa means a passage between two buildings, a portico. Zenon used to lecture and teach at the stoa in the ancient agora in Athens. This festive atmosphere in the evenings is typical of all cities in Cyprus, especially in the summer. People are outside, walking, sitting in coffee shops, bars, and restaurants, listening to music, or even having a late night swim at the beach. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed our little stroll in Larnaca. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.